Okay, here's three problems that have to do with the reaction rate. This is Dr. B, and let's have a look at them. Number 22 says, what single element is being transferred in this energy diagram? Well, if you took a printout of this, it might be hard to see, but I think looking at this, you can see that this substance goes from carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Therefore, this is an oxygen transfer reaction. Is it endothermic or exothermic? Just look at the final and beginning energy states, and you can see that it's exothermic. It has released that much energy to the surroundings. And for problem number 24, find the combination of sentences that works out. For example, in the first one, I'll read it completely, but I'll just give you the letters for the other ones. When reacting particles get pushed closer together, there's a greater chance of successful collisions happening. That's really the principle in a way behind catalysts, where they force them right next to each other at their active site. For example, and this is really talking about pressurizing if you think about it. For example, if you have 100 people, they're more likely to bump into each other in a classroom than they are in a soccer field. You're reducing the volume for the people. This explains why reaction rate increases when pressure is increased. Nice, right? Well, rather than read out every single one here, I'll let you do that on your own. The letters that worked out for me, in no particular order: AHI for number 2, JBN for 3, DKC for 4, LEK for 5, and OMF for 6. I'll let you read them on your own so that you can say to yourself that they make sense. The only one that I might have a little bit of a question about is the fact that they are suggesting that the rate of a reaction increases when the particle size gets smaller. It's an interesting to think about. It seems to me that if they're larger, their odds of bumping into each other are higher, and I don't believe their velocities would change by much. So that's just one thing to think about. This is a few questions about the rate of reaction.